Bill Taylor here, Frame Rate Automotive. Quite often we get phone calls asking for a price on replacing a timing belt. A timing belt is a rubber belt that actually keeps the camshaft and the crankshaft in synchronization. Here's a little display that we have here. You can see with this actually has with two camshafts. It has the crankshaft down here. This is a hydraulic tensioner that keeps the belt tight. An idler pulley, and also this display actually shows the water pump. Now, a lot of vehicles don't have the water pump driven, but some vehicles do. And when the generally accepted is to replace the water pump at the same time that you're going to put the timing belt on there. So if there's any issues with that water pump later on, it doesn't cause damage to the timing belt. Some timing belts are keep the engine to keep from damage too. They're called interference engines. If the belt would break or the teeth would strip out, which is one like we have right here on this belt, you can see how the teeth are just completely gone. But as the belt gets older, that's what can happen to it. The interference engine, if this would happen, it would actually, the pistons could hit the valves and cause damage. Many engines are called non-interference. If the belt breaks, it doesn't, but all it does is leave you on the side of the road. But there's lots of different variables concerning the price of a timing belt. So what we would need to know is with all the information off your vehicle to be able to give you an accurate price. Letting us look at it to determine if there's any oil leaks in the front, if there's camshaft, crankshaft, cam seals, or crank seals that need to be replaced at the same time, gives us all the information we need. So I hope this is informative. Just give us a call. We can help you out with your timing belt. Thank you.